Alright guys, thanks for watching. In that little video there, you just kind of seen a little teaser of it all back together. What I'm waiting on now is some graphics to come in, some vinyl graphics, so we can add a little bit more details to the truck. And I'm still kind of throwing a few things out there, trying to decide how I want to go with it. But anyway, once I get all the graphics and stuff on and get the rest of everything dolled up, then we'll do the full reveal walk around. And we'll see how y'all like it. Definitely ain't perfect, but better than what it was with all that textured paint. So at least now I can buff it. It'll be somewhat shiny. Even though it's black and shows a lot of defects, and I might have should have went with a different color, but it is what it is. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, try to keep it simple. Try to keep it sweet.